start working the second side here. I love these clips because they have such a nice belly in them. They're really awesome for especially long hair, because when you're kind of managing very long hair, you need something to hold it. Doing really long hair is, organization is really important. Dropping that back to make sure you can see what you're doing. I'm gonna come in here. You really want to move as quickly as possible so that the processing happens evenly from side to side. So here we go. I'm going to drop out this corner a little bit because you can see I have kind of a stronger application right there. And if I make it strong on this side, it's going to be too much there. So you have to kind of judge that and make sure that you have nice spaces happening. So I'm going to drop that piece out there. And I'm gonna come in really close on this one, because if you remember on the other side, I went kind of closer here to make sure that I got a nice sweep of brightness through that frontal area. There's a lot of highlighting techniques for brunettes with foils that are very effective, but balayage has sort of a different finish to it when it's done for the brunette that I really love. Also, when you surface paint, when you're just painting on the top, you're getting a really nice shadow underneath within the same strand. So it's really great dimensional color placement because it builds that dimension in for you via the application. Gonna drop that down, get a good coating on here. When you go against the grain in a balayage when you're applying, it does give you a nice subtle transition detail, but be aware that it is also pressing against that cuticle. So if you can get away with just applying straight through the strand, I think that's really the way to go. The pocket of depth underneath here will support this ribbon of color, and it will really flow beautifully.